back, mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. We got a pleasant episode for you today. If you've been feeling stressed, overwhelmed, anxious, frustrated, depressed, insecure, or perhaps even joyful, remembering that you're not alone, not on an island unto yourself, but deeply interconnected to so many human beings that feel the same, that thinking the same things, same emotions, same fears, same desires. Today we're going to take some deep breaths and see if we can relax into our body, to have more appreciation for our body, more appreciation for the mind, on all the crazy thoughts that can go throughout the day. Not minding the mind. Welcoming, witnessing emotions as they are. Embracing them like old friends. And if you stick around for the full episode, my promise to you is that you're going to feel more calm, grounded, and come back to the trust in the unfolding of life. That being said, getting comfortable, becoming aware of your body, aware of your posture, aware of how you're sat. You can lie down or you can focus on becoming more upright, keeping that spine as straight as possible. Dropping the shoulders away from your ears, closing the eyes. You're safe to close the eyes. Enjoying this moment of not having to do anything but just follow the guidance of my voice. Relaxing your belly. Relaxing your face, the jaw, the lips, with a big sigh. Taking a deep breath in through the nose. And exhaling. Breathing in new life, new energy. Exhale, releasing stress, worries, tensions, letting it go. Breathing in love for yourself. Exhaling fears, feeling all negativity and fears leave the mind, leave the body. Breathing in trust in the unfolding of life. Exhaling any worries and anxieties that have been on your mind, feeling it dissolve in the face of a newfound trust. Breathing in. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Taking a deep breath in through the nose. And exhaling. Breathing in slower and softer. And exhaling even slower, even softer. Relaxing your face, relaxing the jaw, the lips, the forehead, by bringing a subtle smile to your face. Remembering that you're not alone. In the anxieties and the fears and the suffering, so many people can empathize, relate, understand, even if it doesn't feel that way. They're out there. Taking a deep breath in, holding the breath at the top, and exhaling. And if your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Let your mind be totally free to think. Following the sound, taking a deep breath in, holding the breath at the top, continuing to hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, exhale. With closed eyes, looking inwards, observing, witnessing, and welcoming all that you observe. Sensations, thoughts, fears, anxieties, planning, whatever it is, just welcoming it. Doing so good, my friend. Way to stay with it. Bringing a smile to your belly. Bringing a smile to your face, to your heart. Bringing a smile to your pain, to your sadness, to your loneliness, to your frustrations. Smiling at it. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Breathing in trust in the unfolding of life. And exhaling worries, insecurities, mistrusts, letting it go, all of it. Feeling trust in your heart, trust in your mind, trust for yourself, trust for people. Even if you get burned, trusting in the burn itself. Taking a breath in through the nose and exhaling out the mouth with a sigh. The color for today is green. The number is 53. And the animal is a T-Rex, Tyrannosaurus Rex. I thank you for joining me across time and space, sending you a big hug, wishing you an abundance of love, of resources, of creativity, of consciousness, awareness, presence, the ability to embrace your present moment today. If you're joining us on YouTube, remember that we're serving families impacted by autism at www.moneybackmindfulness.com. Grateful for any support in this area, any connections, and grateful for you sticking with the practice, you going all the way through to the end. If you're still listening to this, thank you so much for sticking with it. I hope that it has soothed you in some way and that you feel inspired to approach the obstacles that you're facing in a new way, with new energy and new clarity, that you can overcome these obstacles, these thought patterns, these habits. They can not have such a grip on us, and we can go beyond these habits. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.